Are you looking for the best laptops for animation in 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the best laptops for animation in 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Acer Predator Helios. When it comes to animators, editors, and other creatives that need a reliable laptop that can take daily use and overclocking, especially for Blender animation, the Predator range is hard to beat. Acer Predator Helios. The Acer Predator Helios is powered by the newest 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor. This means that you have the power, speed, and intelligence you need when you need it, no matter what. Furthermore, new ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multiprocessors are included in the new NVIDIA GeForce 30 series graphics cards, driven by the award-winning Ampere architecture. Lastly, it has high-speed gameplay, which is made possible by the monitor's 144Hz refresh rate, which keeps up with your stunning Full HD visuals. So, if you're searching for the best laptop for Blender animators, the Acer Predator Helios is for you. Specifications: CPU, Intel Core i7 4.6 GHz. Display, LED 1920 by 1080 pixels. Graphics, RTX 3060. RAM, 16 GB. Storage, 512 GB. Pros: great LED display. Upgraded graphics card. Cons: annoying fan. Number 2. Asus ROG Zephyrus. Are you a creative and looking for the most expensive but powerful laptop for animation? No need to look further because the Asus ROG Zephyrus is an excellent choice. The most expensive laptop for animation. Even though it isn't cheap, this is the ideal laptop for animators who want the highest performance. Asus ROG Zephyrus. It has an Intel Core i7-8750H hexa-core processor that is perfect for editing and animation purposes. It also has a military-grade magnesium alloy body gaming laptop with a premium metal cover, measuring only 0.62 thin and 4.6 pounds in weight. With its revolutionary cooling technology, the ROG Zephyrus S gaming laptop is revolutionizing ultra-slim gaming laptops once again. If you have a larger budget, the Razer Blade is one of the most highly recommended laptops for animation, so if you're undecided, it is an excellent choice. Specifications: CPU, Intel Core i7-8750H hexa-core. Display, 15.6 144Hz 3ms type Full HD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080. RAM, 16 GB DDR4. Storage, 512 GB hybrid drive. Pros: touchpad is amazing. 8 GB graphics card. Cons: average battery life. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Book. If you're creative and wondering about the best laptop for drawing animation, then the Microsoft Surface Book is a nice choice. The best laptop for drawing animation. It's a laptop, a tablet, and a portable studio all in one, making it ideal for anyone who works with high-resolution video and graphics files, especially for drawing animation. Microsoft Surface Book. With its Intel Core 10th Gen CPUs and a Pixel Sense display optimized for the Surface Pen and Touch, it is ready to take on your most challenging tasks. And its battery life is long and can get up to 15.5 hours of battery life, so you don't need to worry about draining your laptop. Lastly, it has the connections you need, including USB-A, USB-C, and a full-size SD card slot. So, if you're searching for the best laptop for drawing animation, then check out this Microsoft Surface Book. Specifications: CPU, 10th Gen Intel Core i5. Display, 13.5 touchscreen. Graphics, 1.2 GHz Core i5. RAM, 8 GB. Storage, 256 GB SSD. Pros: touchscreen, longer battery life. Cons: keyboard isn't so good. Number 4. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. Are you a creative looking for the best laptop for digital animation? Then try this Asus ZenBook Pro Duo, the best laptop for digital animation. Digital animators will love its stunning 4K OLED HDR touchscreen, making it the ideal mobile companion for work and creativity on the go. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. Also, with the ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED, you can reach your goals with ease, peace, and speed. An ASUS screen pad plus secondary 4K monitor with a novel tilting design for easier ergonomics and seamless workflows is also included in this package, as a result of its 8-core Intel Core MI9 processor and its built-in NVIDIA GeForce RTX TM 3080 GPU, the ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED gives you access to tomorrow's technology now. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is one of the best laptops for creatives that are looking for the perfect device for digital animation. Specifications: CPU, 10th generation Intel Core i7. Display, 15.6 OLED 4K touch main display. Graphics: GeForce RTX 2060 6GB divided by RTX 3070. RAM: 16GB. Storage: 1TB NVMe SSD. Pros: good battery life, more storage. Cons: limited selection of ports. Number 5. Gigabyte Aero 17. Last but not least on the list is the Gigabyte Aero 17, which has the best laptop animation design. The best laptop for animation design. It has a GTX 1060 6GB laptop graphics card from NVIDIA, which is perfect for animation designers. Gigabyte Aero 17. A massive 17.3 inches UHD display means you will be able to work on animations with incredible clarity, and the performance is just as strong as it appears. The Aero 17 HDR-XD is equipped with the latest generation of Intel i7 processors and NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics cards. Also, all of which have been optimized for maximum performance so that you may continue working on your animations uninterrupted. The Gigabyte Aero 17 is the best laptop, especially if you're creative and looking for the perfect laptop for animation design. Specifications: CPU, 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11800H. Display, 17.3 inches UHD 4 Kelvin IPS anti-glare display. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU 8GB GDDR6. RAM, 16GB. Storage, 1TB SSD. Pros: powerful cooling system, great performance. Cons: average battery life.